Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this triangular shawl using one row repetition method. Here I have used only the double crochet, and finally for the border I used single crochet stitches. So it's very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very easily. This shawl contains 21 rows, which is big enough for the adult size. If you want to crochet the bigger size, you can repeat the same pattern until you get to the desired size of the project. For this project I have used here this Himalaya super soft yarn, 200 gram completely. I have used here 200 gram using the 5 mm crochet hook. So let's start the project. I'm just going to show the sample how to make this project. It's very easy. So let's start the project. For that I have taken here the same yarn, Himalaya super soft yarn, but the color is different, and I'm going to use the 5 mm hook size. So let's start the project. So we'll start the project with the slip stitch. We'll make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to make 1 double crochet into this, yarn over, insert the hook into this, pull the yarn up, yarn over, pull through first 2 and the second 2, yarn over into this. We'll make 1 double crochet, yarn over into this, 1 more double crochet, chain 2, yarn over into this. We'll make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. So we have completed our first row the project, and into the very first double crochet, insert the hook, pull the yarn. We'll make 1 single crochet into the second loop. 1 more time we'll make 1 single crochet, again insert the hook into this, pull the yarn up. We made 1 single crochet more. So this we will consider as a double crochet. If you prefer to use the chain method, that is also fine, but I prefer to do this method so that we will get to this brim little stronger. Yarn over into this, 2 double crochets, and then into each double crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet. So insert the hook into this, under this V, and then make 1 double crochet, insert this into this and make 1 double crochet, yarn over into this. We'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 chain, and then 2 more double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over into this, 1 double crochet, into the next 1 double crochet, into the next 1 double crochet, yarn over into the last, insert the hook, make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. So we have completed the next row as well. Let's turn the project. Into the very first, insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, again 1 more single crochet, again 1 more single crochet, into this 2 double crochets, 1, 2, into each double crochet 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, into this 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, into each 1, 1 double crochet. So we are just going to repeat the same pattern until we get our desired size for the project. There is nothing much to do in this. Into the last stitch we made the double crochet, and to the same we'll make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, total it will be 3. So the project started to expand. This is how we are going to repeat. And then the last row I just did the single crochet, so just insert the hook into this, 1 single crochet, into each stitch 1, 1 single crochet. So this is very easy pattern for the beginners, and then you can use this for the winter season. And then into the last 1 single crochet, inside we'll make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and into each stitch 1, 1 single crochet. After that we are going to do in each double crochet 1, 1 single crochet. So I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. If you want to watch more patterns on this, you can just go through my channel. You will find more patterns on the blankets, cardigan, poncho, scarves, and even for the babies. Please go through my playlist, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can send me a message through Instagram. So thanks for watching.